guys, welcome back to my channel. Our channel. Sorry, I'm so sorry. So, right now I don't know what to say right now. Well, this video is not about trading, playing something, or doing anything. I want to tell you something that's really important. So, basically, I was just playing Adopt Me, and as you guys know, my dream pet is a T-Rex. My dream pet. Wait, no, I got a T-Rex. My dream pet is a pink cat. So if you guys don't know that, my dream pet is a pink cat, and I was trading my Radical Golden Penguin for a pink cat, a normal pink cat. Then this girl named Lexi, as her account name, the Adopt Me account name, she put it as Lexi. So then she said, then she started to say that oh no, a rideable golden penguin isn't with a pink cat's worth more. I said that I don't care, I'm just trading it. In my opinion, it's fair. So she started to talk complete rubbish, and I don't even know what she was talking about. She kept saying it wasn't worth it, and she used so many stupid words. Then this one girl, this brown-haired girl, had noticed us fighting, and she actually had seen the entire combo of ours. So she came to help me, and then a bit later, half of the entire server had come to the area of the middle area to literally fight that girl. Like literally, there's that Lexi girl and her BFF. Both were talking complete nonsense. They kept saying it's not worth it, stop trading, leave the server, bruh. I said that stop with your nonsense, or I'm going to record this and post it on YouTube. And when I was about to record the fight, my phone switched off. And as you guys know, I use X Recorder to record these videos. And I don't know for what reason X Recorder was not starting, but now it did. And I haven't collected any clips of the video, which is super sad. But I have proof that we were fighting that Lexi girl. So if you guys see this owl person, I'm gonna ask her. So wait. Hey. Weren't we just having a fight with Lexi? Weren't we just having oh my god, my chat! What's wrong with my chat? What? Well, okay, finally. Weren't we just having a fight with Lexi? Wait. Miss Child. Weren't we having a fight with Lexi just now? Weren't we having a fight with Lexi just now? She said. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna wait for her to answer. Lexi. Said Lexi. I'm gonna say that girl, you know. I think she forgot. No, Lexi said sorry, but she... Okay, so this looks like her BFF, I think. Oh no, not her BFF. BFF was a Karen. So this girl, I don't know what she said, but as you guys can see over here, she said... Yeah, so as you guys can see, she was mean though. This girl was fighting with her. Fighting with me. So, but she got hunted down. She is mean. So that girl was really mean, and she kept talking complete nonsense. She sounded like a 5-year-old, and she said this: can't look at the bullies if I got no eyes. So I asked her that, how are you playing? how are you using your controller? How are you moving around? Then she said something like, I'm just saying. Excuse me, what? That triggered me so much. I kept fighting with her, and then she said something that literally. Wait, I don't think she has any common sense. I feel like she's a literally 5-year-old. And I just wish I knew her username. I hope I have a username over here, but I don't think I do. But okay, yeah, no, it's gone. The user is gone. But I have proof. Look, people are talking about the girl who were with me literally. So then they have these there was okay, as you guys can see, she said, how about you, I'm not gonna say this word. She said these kind of things, like she also, like, as I was saying, she said, y'all are never gonna go to heaven. I said, bro, we aren't even dead yet. Does she have any common sense to what she's even talking about? Some people are young, like me, I'm a 9-year-old, and people can get scared for that word. Like, bro, what are you talking about? And I said, you think a girl like you with that attitude of yours will go to heaven? Like, bro, what is she even talking about? I don't know what thing she was talking about, but like she said complete nonsense. So I was so mad, and like the entire server was with me on the fight, and literally we kept saying, mind your own business, you bully. And he said a lot of different words to her that aren't like bad words, like, but like it's just like rude words, but she deserved it. She was literally talking so bad and like nonsense, even to the people who are on my side. Half the server was like, look, she doesn't even know what we are doing in our lives right now. I care. I'm just so like, I don't know, these guys aren't even my fans. They just are random people who gave on my side and fought with me. And there's this girl who said that my trade was fair and traded me the pink cat after the fight. And basically the moral is, maybe just don't give up. And literally I would give you guys proof if I could record that moment. I don't know what happened. I couldn't record the moment, but as you guys can see, I have proof. This girl is totally on my side, and look, bruh, she's like on our side, guys. My God, I don't know what was wrong with her. If she had like problems or something, I literally don't know. But I could say she was alone. Yeah, because nobody like was on her side. Also, guys, if you guys don't know, me and my BFF had made a video on Rob Mr. Rich's mansion, and on that video, for some reason, my voice was not showing. I am really sorry about that, guys. For some reason, my voice just wouldn't show. I'm really sorry for that, guys. In the next video, we will be seeing what the problem was, and we will try to fix it, guys. Until that, please don't be sad or don't be mad at us. But next time, if you're having any fights with somebody who's saying offensive things, or like saying bad things to you, like that trade isn't like worth it, you should like other words, then either you should ask for one of your friends' help, or you should also fight with her and keep saying and you should like keep giving response to every word she's saying, and then soon you'll see at least one or two people will look what you're like saying, look at what you're saying, and they'll come to your side, or you just fight by yourself. Maybe if you have friends and you can't fight by yourself, and the other girl has another like person on their side and they're being really mean to you or bullying you, then either you call your BFF, friends, anyone, but you call someone, or you'll ask for help. You'll ask for help to the people in your server, but you will not just leave the server and be like, bruh, I don't care, I'm just gonna leave the server and like fight finished. You should never do that. They have to learn their lesson. They can't just like do that. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Well, it was not really a good one, but hope you guys enjoyed it. Love you all. Bye, guys. See you guys.